Okay, so now I will go for the basic geometry which you can draw in right now. I will focus now on the 2D 2D objects. So first of all, I will use Polyline, and here again, if you are using left and right mouse button, it makes a little bit different command. So Polyline, it's a left mouse button. If you click right now with the right mouse button, it will be just a line. So I click left and I am creating a polyline. Now to finish the polyline, you have after adding several points, you need to either approve it by clicking enter or space button. I like to use space, but it doesn't matter. Um, if um, if it's line or polyline in general, it doesn't make any difference. Since I'm working in the top view mostly for this part, I will double click on the top and it will maximize the top view to my needs. I will also now go for the grid snap to make a faster drawing of or faster, more precise. So I will draw now the NURBS curve, and here we have oh, one thing. You have a small triangle in the right bottom corner. If you click on it, you have a different variants of the button here. So I will use the control point curve, which per default it's a NURBS curve. The control points are outside of the curve. If I will go for the second option here, which is interpolated points, now when I will be drawing the curve, uh, generally the curve is trying to cross the points which I draw. Again, to approve the finished, I have to click a space button on enter. So I had the control points, but now I don't see it if I mark it. So to turn it back on, to be able to modify the curves, I'm just catching the curves and I'm going here for the points. And to turn it on, left mouse, left button on the mouse, and I have my control points. So again, if I want to have this one, I'm marking the control points, I'm marking the curve and then clicking on points on. Now I can mark this point and move it. So I can modificate the curve. And remember the bottom curve was the type of interpolated one, but when I am turning on the control points, I still see the control points outside of my curve. This is because generally, per definition, those control points are outside. Interpolation of these points is something extra. So this is how to create the basic shapes. The rectangle is very simple, by two corners, the circle, the center point and the radius. Um, yeah. So remember that you have also this OSNAP orthoplanar things which you can control during the drawing.